Yo, what is up, everybody? Bradley Walker here.
And Jared, otherwise known as Seven.
In today's video, it is September 19th. We're going to be doing the news forecast for the upcoming week in the foreign exchange markets from the 20th to the 24th. So we're going to give you guys a forecast and overview to show you guys what is driving markets this upcoming week. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos. We're dropping content 7 days a week. Make sure you check out the links in the description of this video. Sign up to our free Forex trading course. Sign up to our Discord community where you can copy our exact trades, get a community of traders, and so much more value. Make sure you sign up to our recommended brokerages. Sign up to Robinhood and Webull to get a free stock on us, and follow us on all major social media platforms. We're going to hop over here to Forex Factory and give you guys a quick overview on what is going to be driving the markets this upcoming week. All right, guys, so as you can see right here, like I said, this is September 20th to the 24th. So this upcoming week today is the 19th, and these are going to be news events that are affecting the markets this week. So Monday is definitely going to be super important for the markets as a whole. It does show right here that it's all day for the Canadian dollar because it is the federal election, but it is going to be affecting all currency pairs because overall, when one country that is allies with a lot of these other big countries is, changing their leader, it's definitely going to change things, how people do business with them and things like that. So it can definitely alter the markets as a whole. So the Canadian federal election is going to be super important, whether it's Aaron O'Toole, Justin Trudeau stays in office, or one of the other candidates gets elected. Definitely going to be high impact, something you want to pay attention to if you were trading in the foreign exchange markets. Other than that, pretty quiet throughout the day for most currency pairs. At 9:30 p.m., we do have a high impact monetary policy meeting coming out for the Australian dollar. A lot of crazy things going in Australia right now if you're keeping up with the news and things like that. So this is definitely something that I'm going to be paying attention to. We're going to hop over into Tuesday, the 21st.
All right, guys, Tuesday, September 21st, mainly a lot of mild impact news coming out throughout the day. And then the only moderate impact news is for the Japanese yen, and it's tentative, so it's not sure what time it's going to come out exactly. And again, if you guys haven't seen our videos before, this little paper inside the folder just means it has related stories from like other websites that show more information and news on that event. So if you want to check that out, you can always click that little folder. And it kind of tells people why traders care and the frequency of the event, stuff like that. But we're just kind of overviewing all the events for you guys, but we're going to show you guys what's going on for Wednesday now.
All right, guys, so diving into Wednesday, September 22nd, we do have a BOJ, the Bank of Japan press conference coming out. It is tentative, meaning there's not an exact set time for it, but definitely something you're going to want to pay attention to. And then after the New York session is opening up, we do have crude oil inventories coming out at 10:30 a.m. That's going to be moderate impact for the U.S. dollar. We have a decent bit of high impact news coming out at 2 p.m. for the U.S. dollar as well. The FOMC economic projections, the FOMC statement, the federal funds rate, that's going to be a moderate impact event. And then at 2:30, following that up, we have the FOMC press conference where they're going to discuss the statement and the economic projections that they talked about at 2 p.m. So definitely going to be some high impact news coming out for the U.S. dollar throughout the day. Definitely going to want to pay attention to that stuff on Wednesday. And like Seven said, if you come over here, anytime you see this is just a blank folder, you open that up, it'll give you a little bit of the frequency, why traders care, a little bit more insight on what that news event actually is. But these also, when it has the little paper in the folder, going to give you guys related stories and other articles and things like that talking about these events on what people are anticipating. We're not really going to dive into that. We have our own expectations and kind of what we think is going to happen from these news events, but we're kind of just showing you guys what is going to be affecting the markets in the upcoming week, not what we think that is going to do as a result of that news event coming out. So if you guys want to see that, we might talk about that in future videos. Definitely let us know in the comment section below. We're going to hop on to Thursday.
All right, guys, Thursday is pretty insane. A lot of news. The 23rd, definitely look out for this day, affecting a bunch of different currency pairs. 3:15, the euro has some moderate news. 3:30 a.m., Swiss franc news, high impact. And there's not normally that much Swiss franc news that I see that's specifically Swiss franc. So that's, I think that normally comes about once a month. So that's at 3:30 a.m. And then also some euro news that's high impact. 4 a.m., moderate impact. 4:30, more moderate impact. At 7 a.m., asset purchase facility, MPC, asset purchase facility votes, monetary policy summary, some high impact news for the Great Britain pound, and some moderate news for the Great Britain pound, all at 7 a.m. So a lot of action is going to be happening early in the morning. And then 8:30, some CAD moderate news, USD. And this may actually be more than moderate, actually, because the whole election thing that's happening earlier in the week. 9:45 USD, moderate news. And then for the rest of the day, it's just some mild impact news. But basically it impacted like 6-7 currency pairs just on Thursday. So it's going to be a lot of action.
All right, guys, to end out the week, Friday, September 24th, nothing too crazy going on. It is Friday, so a lot of people do sit on the sidelines. We're definitely going to be watching, kind of speculating on what is going to be happening. But 4 a.m., we have a little bit of moderate impact news coming out, bunch of mild events coming out, nothing too crazy. But at 10 a.m., right after that New York session opens up, we do have Fed Chair Powell speaking. So definitely something to pay attention to there. But the markets will be closing later in the evening around dinner time. So probably not going to be trading too much on Friday. We typically don't. Maybe we're looking at positions that we're going to swing trade over the weekend into the upcoming week or the following week. But overall, pretty quiet on Friday, other than that one high impact news event coming out for the US dollar. So going to be dropping these videos every Sunday like we have been for you guys. If you guys have any feedback, any suggestions, anything like that, leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button to stay up to date on all of our videos. Make sure you definitely watch these videos and go to Forex Factory to make sure you're well equipped and prepared for the upcoming week when you are trading in the foreign exchange markets. Sign up to our free Forex trading course. Link is in the description of this video. Sign up to our Discord community to start trading with us on a daily basis. Sign up to our recommended brokerages if you don't currently have one. Definitely check out Hugo's way to trade stocks, indices, gold, cryptos, a whole bunch of different things within the foreign exchange markets. Make sure you check out Robinhood and Webull to get a free stock on us. Follow us on all major social media platforms. And as always, thanks for watching.
Peace.